Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial on updating the firmware for your JBL Xtreme free speaker. Today we will show you why it is essential to keep your speaker updated and then guide you through the process step by step. Why update? Keep your speaker updated ensures you get the best performance, bug fixes and potentially new features. It's like giving your speaker a little boost. How to update? Make sure you download the JBL Portable app from either Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Power on your speaker and open the app. If it doesn't pop up on the main screen, make sure your speaker is paired with your device. Check in the Bluetooth settings. If there's an available update, you will see an update button below the speaker's image. Tap on it. This action will redirect you for the firmware update screen. Here you will see a progress circle showing the completion percentage and an estimated remaining time. During the update process, your speaker might turn on and off. Avoid manually powering it on or off to ensure a smooth update. Once the update is complete, you will be greeted with an Upgrade Successful screen. Tap Let's Party to finalize the update. Now you are all set. Thanks for watching. You will find more tips for your speaker in the playlist. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe so our channel pops up first when you search for solution.